Hello everyone. In this video we will just separate our data to different sheets. It means that we have data in this one sheet and we would like to transfer data based on this designation to other sheets. It means the developer would be in a separate sheet, designer in a separate, and IT managers in a separate sheets. Okay, we will separate this data based on this designation. So let's get started. Before starting, if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So first of all, whenever you wrote your data, it means that you have your data, you have thousands and millions records, and after that click in your data in your table, then come here to the data tab. After that, come here and select this option from table range. After selecting this option, a new pop-up, a new menu will open for you. So let's see it end. So the data has selected and it says that the create table. Okay, so let's first of all create a table from this. Okay, press OK. So now this a new menu, a new Excel page has opened for us. This is our table and this is our data. Okay, so now let's take a 2 copy from this. Okay, we have 3 designation: developer, designer, and IT. We would like to just take copies from this, 2 more copies. Okay, let's duplicate it and also again duplicate it. After duplicating, you can assign name to these. Let's first of all assign a name to this one. Rename it. It is, for example, developer, and let's assign a name to the second one, that is designer. Let's assign a name to the third one, IT. So after assigning the name to them, now we will filter the data. Okay, let's move to the developers, and in the developer, come here to the designation and press this icon that you see on the right side of designation, and unselect this. Just select the developer. Okay, after selecting that, press OK. So we filtered this data. Now let's come here to the designer. Again, do the same task. Unselect, just select the designer and press OK. Come to the IT, press this icon and unselect all and press IT. OK. So it means that we have filtered our data. So now let's close it. Okay. Yeah, keep it and close it. Yeah, we closed it and a new sheets will be generated right now. So let's check it and let's see that they are generating right now. Say these are the new sheets. Okay, these are IT. We have 3 records of IT and designer. These are the records of designer and the developer, and this is our main table, our main data that we had. Now if we enter a data inside this, okay, if we enter a new record to this, that would be automatically entered to that. Okay, let's insert a new record. Let's come here and enter that is column, and that is like IT. Okay, before we had 3 IT records, so now let's come here 2000. Okay, we have inserted a new record. Let's check it. That has came here right now. That is not entered here. So let's come here to the data, and here we will refresh all. Okay, so after refreshing, see the 4th record came here. Okay, just by pressing the refresh all, this refresh button, so it will refresh all the data. So it was all about transferring data from one sheet to multiple sheets. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.